Afternoon, getting ready to go on a walk from the Spit Bridge, which is right here, over towards Manly. So should be fun. Looks real pretty, beautiful day. Figured it'd be, instead of riding the ferry out there, it'd be good fun to do the walk across. So see what we can see along the way. Guessing that might have something to do with termites. Oh wow. Huh. That's cool. Afternoon. Hello. How are you? Swim today. Old Jays would like this beach. Nice and warm, shallow. Just a puppy? Yeah. Boston Terriers are great dogs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I had them when I was younger. I have golden retrievers, but hi. Oh, you're sweet.
You're Boston a really good dog?
Very good dog.
She is so far, but obviously you can't tell when they're little, you know?
Yeah. No, they're great. They're great companions. The right size. I have two large Goldens and a Golden Doodle, and they take up a little more room, but I love Golden, so I love all dogs.
Yeah.
Have a great day. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you. This is a good workout today. Ugh. 30,000 steps in today, I think. Whew. I didn't go in my sandals. This way. A little over halfway. I think it's going to be about 6 miles when I'm done. Beautiful day. I love the spring weather here. Everything's starting to come into bloom. It's spectacular up here this afternoon. I didn't think it was going to have this kind of view. I now see why they recommend this walk. You get a view of the city back there, the bridge. Wow, this is just amazing. Love it. Sailboats down here. What a day to go sailing. A lot of little laser crafting and going amongst the bigger boats, bigger sailboats. My dad would have loved this place. I miss him. Spectacular. So we can get down here without falling. Wow, that's awesome. Love it. It's been an amazing Saturday afternoon. I'm loving this place. These are just right in front of me.
Her, the way she approaches that she's taking to it.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Hi, puppy. Hi, guys. What you doing? Some